What is a palindrome? A palindrome is a word, number, phrase, or other sequence of symbols that read the same backwards as forwards.
Civic, level, radar, deed, refer, pop, Romeo, kayak, aha, tataratat, saipwa kivikopius, madam, race car, noon, ABBA, ibophobia, Ada, Amma, Anna, Ava, bib, bob, dad, deified, detartrated, dude, did, dud, eek, eve, I, gag, gig, Hannah, Lil, Malayalam, minim, mom, murdrum, mum, none, auto, pap, peep, pip, pup, redder, repaper, reviver, rotator, rotivator, sagas, seas, sexes, cis, solos, stats, succus, tataratat, tenet, tit, tot, tut, wah, wow, yay, deified, cis, Malayalam, Anna, oho, solos, pop, Anna, auto, murdrum, plop, eve, peep, rotator, non, redder, toot, ABBA, Hannah, pip, reviver, stats, aha, bob, repaper, redivider, madam, rotor, refer, kayak, wow, tenet, race car, minim.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.